Hey everyone, welcome back. Managing blood sugar accurately is essential for living well, and 2025 gives us some of the most user-friendly, affordable glucose monitor kits yet. Whether you're checking levels daily, building healthier habits, or supporting someone who is, this video has your back. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best blood glucose monitor kits available on Amazon in the USA, and I'm sharing the current price ranges, so you know what to budget. Let's dig in with number 5. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the G425-2 kit, a straightforward, no-frills starter set. It includes the meter, lancing device, 50 strips, and 50 lancets. Reviewers highlight its ease of use and that no coding is needed. Your results are ready in just a few seconds with a very small blood drop. Right now, you can typically find this kit between $15 and $20, a solid value for anyone needing reliable, budget-friendly testing. At number 4, we have the Keto Mojo GK Plus kit, which combines blood glucose and ketone monitoring with Bluetooth connectivity. It's ideal for those following a keto diet or managing metabolic health. The kit comes with a Bluetooth-enabled meter, test strips, lancets, a carrying case, and app access for logging and tracking. People love the seamless data synced to their phones, making tracking trends easy. Current street price is about $45 to $50, a fair tag for dual-purpose functionality and smart tracking tools. Coming in third is the Dario Smart Glucose Monitor Kit. This is the pocket-sized option that plugs directly into your phone, whether via USB-C or Lightning. It's ultra-portable and gives instant readings on your phone using the free Dario app. Users appreciate its convenience and how quick it is for on-the-go testing. Today, you'll usually see it priced between $40 and $50, with occasional flash deals pushing it lower. If portability and digital tracking are top priorities for you, Dario is a great pick. Runner-up at number 2 is the CareSense N Kit, a fully comprehensive starter set. It includes the meter, 100 test strips, 100 lancets, lancing device, control solution, and a carry case. Users love its reliable auto-coding feature, affordable test strips, and the generous bundle at a reasonable price. Right now, you can snag this kit for around $20 to $25, occasionally dipping to under $20 during promotions. For a complete, affordable kit that's ready out of the box, the CareSense N delivers exceptional value. And our number 1 pick is the Meteen TD 4116 kit, a trusted favorite among 2025 options. It offers quick, accurate readings, just 7 seconds with a tiny 0.7 L blood sample, and has multiple testing modes like control, pre-meal, post-meal, and general tracking. The large, easy-to-read display and no-coding operation make it user-friendly, especially for elderly or visually impaired users. It's consistently recommended in user reviews and health guides alike for its reliability. The current price range is $35 to $40, still affordable, yet offering premium features worthy of being number 1. Before we wrap up, a quick tip. Look beyond meter specs. Prioritize the ongoing cost of test strips, which can be a major expense. Bluetooth and app features offer long-term value if you need trend tracking, but if simplicity and low cost matter most, traditional non-Bluetooth kits can serve well. And always double-check if the meter requires coding or whether it's auto-coding. Less hassle means fewer mistakes. Alright, that's our countdown of the top 5 blood glucose monitor kits in the USA for 2025. From podcast-friendly plug-in kits to full starter bundles, there's something for every need and budget. Which one fits your health journey best? Drop a comment below and let me know. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe for more health tech reviews, and tap the bell icon so you never miss out. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourselves.